Welcome everyone. So we are going to learn fine motor skills through activity with very simple tools and techniques. For that we need some cotton balls like you can see here. If you can buy the cotton balls you can, otherwise you can take the simple cotton and roll it and make it the cotton balls. Instead of that you need some thermocol balls, beads and cloth peg. Now we will going to hold the peg with different way. Like you can see here, using three fingers, index finger, middle finger and with thumb we are doing this. You have to choose any type of peg you want to, and we will going to do three way of holding like I have shown you. First one with three fingers like you can see here. Now you can see using all four fingers. Watch it carefully how we are doing. So with this paper peg we will going to sort the things, take the things and put it in a bowl like you can see here. So after doing this we will going to use third way of holding the peg. Watch it nicely, it will going to increase their fine skills, that is holding of pencils, crayons and all. So first way of holding the peg we have done this one with three fingers, and then after that we're going to use another way, that is second way of holding. So just look at here how using it. This is the second way of holding the peg and taking it. You can watch it very carefully. Now we will going to use another way, that is, yes, this is the last and third one. How? Just look at here. We will going to do this activity with all five fingers together. So first we have used three fingers, then four fingers, and now using all five fingers together. So with these simple tools we can develop their fine motor skills and their muscles will be strong and holding power will also be increased, so that it will help them in future for holding things and doing all the writing, coloring, everything. So do this activity. Thank you so much.